Hello everyone, this is Castra. Today I decided to talk about elements of architecture. So I'm gonna show you how the process of architecture starts from one point, then it goes to an end. To for a structure to be constructed, or every levels have different things to do, but the very basic elements that architecture starts with are first I'm gonna talk about the four basic elements. And what are these four basic elements? First of all, we have points. Point is the very basic element that we use in architecture. So if we repeat them, we will have line. So line is the next element that we have. After that, if we repeat the lines, what happens, you think? I repeat them several times, then I will have a plane. So, plane is the next element that we have. And again, if I have this plane, I show this one in 3 dimensions. This one was in 2-dimensional shape. So if I repeat this plane, I will have a volume. So volume is the fourth element that we have. And now let's talk about that. How are these elements appear in architecture? So if I look at a architectural plan, you may have seen that we have these points, and this will show the points. Like this. These are the axes of the columns. So we have the columns, first thing. Then if we connect the columns with these lines, it will be wall. It will be wall. And then after walls, we have floor, which is a plane, but with a thickness. Of course, the column was a point with thickness. Actually, it's better to say that, you know, it's an example, because point itself doesn't have any dimension. Line has only one dimension, plane has two dimension, and volume has three dimension. But point doesn't have any dimension. But its appearance in architecture, from a perspective that we see it, is like then first column, then wall, then floor, and also let me show the ceiling and roof. And then if I want to show that in the three-dimensional shape, it would be first the ceiling with a thickness, and then we have our columns. I will show you the top of the columns. It's like only dashes to show where are they exactly. And we don't see that, but only the dash lines. Okay, and now we have the floor, which is like this, and we have the walls, and I'm gonna show it with hatch. And also on this side, maybe we have a door and a window. But doors and windows are our secondary instrumental elements. So as you see, we started with the points and we ended up to a volume, and that volume is the space that we have in architecture. This can be a house, a room, an apartment, a high-rise building, anything, but the whole architecture concept starts from this point and ends up here with a volume. And this volume can be different forms, not only cubic. It can be, the curve and, round shapes and anything. But these are the elements in architecture. So I hope that it's useful for you, and please write comments for me if you have any questions, or any other topics that you want me to talk about, I would be happy to. And if there's anything that I don't have any information about that, I will do some research for you, and I will work on it for my next videos. Thank you and have a great time.